Do you know you can be a member and work with a constitutional based organization? Yes, that is why we are different from other organizations and companies. We have a written constitution and it is what you can rely on. We have different segments which are formulated and have a working module on how they should work. Basically, we are connectors of service providers and service receivers. Service providers in our constitution are called committee cabinet and the service receivers are called corporate cabinet. Okay. So what is our constitution rely on? Our constitution has been formulated from different articles and sections from different constitution of the world, different company policies and business policies in the world. From the constitutions of Irish Free Republic, German Republic, Dominion of Canada, United States of Mexico, Union of South Africa, Commonwealth of Australia, Austria, Estonian Republic, German Republic, Czech Republic, Belgium, Norway, USA and India. So we have mixed all these different federations, bureaus, socialist republic and foundation organizations and governing features of all these different companies into one organization, Essence Integrated Business Solutions. So we are not just a company, we are not just organization. We are a governing body in which you can function, enhance and improve your skills. No matter you are a service provider or a service receiver. We have formulated different constitutions for every sector. So let us talk about the service providers. Okay, they are committee cabinet. If you are a good service provider, if you provide something for anyone in India, you can join us on Essence with a minimum fee of 51 rupees. We give membership for committee cabinet service providers at 51 rupees. Okay. There will be socio-democratic elections to choose an ambassador from the committee cabinet too. Okay. And the corporate cabinet, if you are a service receiver, if you are a businessman, if you run any business, if you run any organization and you need services of any kind, anywhere and anytime, you can be a member at Essence at a minimum cost of 151 rupees. These are the starting range and there is no extra cost on anything. Once you have been a member, you have a multiple growth platform to grow your reach, to make your business more efficient. You can find everything at one place. You don't have to run here and there to find different services. If you are a corporate cabinet member, if you are a service receiver, if you are a service provider, if you are one of those people who give good service and can't find employees, can't find people to work for, here we are to give you good corporates and good businessmen for you to work. So what is our structure? We are not just outsourcing agency, networking agency, okay. We take the service providers, validate them into four different categories which are made from the differences of their quality, quantity, timely deliverance, and value, and of course capital. Okay. So no matter if you are a very good service provider, if you provide a very good service, we put you in a platinum mode. If you are slightly down after our quality check, but you do it affordable rates, we put you into gold. If you are a low service provider, you are still a learning service provider, you are still a startup, and you are still providing services to businessmen, we put you into silver category. Okay. And what is the value for corporate cabinets? Corporate cabinets can choose their custom packages. They can choose whether they want to invest more in advertisement, more in marketing, or less in advertisement and more in sales. Suppose you are a company who is selling some food item, okay, and you want to increase your sales, but you don't want to invest more in advertisement. So here we attach you with a platinum service provider of sales and supply. who can increase your supply with a good investment and good money. And of course, business strategies are developed by us. And with that, if you want to put low budget in marketing and big budget in sales, so we would connect you with a gold or a silver member of marketing agency or service provider. So that is how we make custom packages for corporates. You get to choose your own package. And what do service providers get? They get regular work and regular income. So that is how we are structured. So let us talk more about the structure of Essence. So apart from the committee cabinet and the corporate cabinet, there is two governing bodies. One is the judiciary and another is the chamber of privileges. Both these bodies do quality check and see the regulation of work between service providers and service receivers. Apart from that, we have three different bureaus of working for corporate cabinet who will govern communication, three different federations for committee cabinet who will determine on which stage, which category you fall, who would take assessments, who would allot working. So these two things, and these two federations and bureau is managed by a residual power body, two bodies of residual power which are not interconnected, so there is no chance of corporate politics. We and corporate politics over here. So there are many benefits which we are going to talk further. Next, we also have three different bodies. One body specially made for research and improvement in the organization, whether it's in-house organization or if is your corporate organization or your service providing agency, or if you are a solo entrepreneur, then your own business. So another wing is an emergency wing. Whenever there is a clash, whenever there is an issue, mismanagement, the emergency wing contacts directly to the judiciary and governs communication, which will solve all the issues and problems and bugs faster. And third is elite wings of social affairs. These wing members are basically connectors who are developing models for different social affairs. See how we are different, that we do not do one thing, we do so many things, so we have to manage so many things. So it was a hack to build a system which can make anything. So building a system which can make anything is very different and difficult. So what we did, we made separate constitution for each body. There is a separate constitution for three federal councils who would govern the quality check. There is a different constitution for bureaus which communicate with the corporate or service receivers. There is a different constitution made for the committee cabinet, rules and regulations, how they are categorized into different levels of their skills and services. There is again a different constitution for corporate cabinet, how their corporate social responsibilities takes up, how invoicing, billing takes up, how to avoid corporate politics, how competitors do not match and do politics inside the organization. Then there is a different constitution for judiciary, how to take decisions, regulations. There is a different constitutions for chamber of privileges. The chamber of privileges is something which can change or regulate and reattach articles. It can create petitions, forms from which you can give ideas to the organization. Your idea is being implemented confidentially, secretly. The marketing strategy made for you is not going to be sold to anyone else, and other marketing strategy or business strategy or policy given to someone else is not going to come back to you. So confidentiality is very much important in this organization, and different constitutions of different bodies maintain those confidentiality. And no member is allowed to be a simultaneous member into different bodies. A member in co-federation is not allowed to be a member in another bureau. The member of bureau is not allowed to be a member of chamber of privileges. A member of chamber of privileges cannot be a member of security sector. and the member of security sector cannot be a member of judiciary. So there is no chance of interconnected unethical issues inside the organization. We have taken care about it from each and every article in our constitution. I am going to raise our constitution online within a few weeks, and I challenge everyone that there is no better constitution and a governing body for a business organization, for a social organization, and for a union of interchanging and networking in entire India. Because we have gathered articles, sections, laws, and different different acts from different constitutions of India, different bodies. If a good federation is sustaining in Switzerland is a co-federation, so federation acts and articles are taken in consideration from Switzerland. If there is bureaucracy somewhere, like in USA, federal bureaucracy is there, so we have taken bureaucracy laws and articles from there, so that there is no chance of unethical behavior in any of the sectors. We have taken sure about it. We have made sure that there is no ethical issues and their confidentiality remains there. And another advantage is that as time passes, as there are different trends coming and going, we are indulging, interacting and inventing new methods of working. So right now we have invented Entrepreneur Encouragement Act, in which we have formulated an act where we raise entrepreneurs from freelancers. We build entrepreneurs and freelancing, because freelancing is something that the advantage of freelancing is that you got to choose your work timings, you got to choose your workplace, and you got to choose your work. We are giving same thing to an entrepreneur with a different strategy. I will be telling you about this more in the next video. Another segment is intern exchange program. The corporate members who are members in essence have the right to exchange interns internally. Okay, so there is a two-way system. Even the learning people who are still getting experienced would learn more. They would learn from different segments. If they work 3 months in one company and another 3 months in two other company, they would learn two skills, and both the company will have fresh mind working for them. What is the problem with employment? Employment kills enthusiasm. Once you have employed someone, after a time he will lost his enthusiasm because he is going to get a regular money. So what I am providing is permanent income without permanent jobs. That is the first time in India again. Permanent income without permanent job. A permanent job will take your time, will keep you occupied, and still you would not be satisfied with your boss. And talking about the boss, you would still not be satisfied with your work, because every now and then he would have to explain you the same thing. You are fed up doing the same thing again and again. So what are we giving more? We are also giving employee-free modules to corporates. How much do you spend in your employees? Yearly. Yearly, if you are spending 64 lakhs into an employment, which would give you business in marketing, advertising, sales, supply, management and administration. What if we can work out something where you don't have to keep permanent employees, rather give work-based payouts. Work-based payout, and take work of monthly, semi-annually, quarterly from different people, and your budget would directly fall down to 33 to 45 lakhs. So there would be a decrease of 20 lakhs in your expense when you remove employees and add service providers specifically. The only issue till now was the outsourcing would not rely on timely deliverance, quality check and background check. Here at Essence Integrated Business Solutions, we do it everything. We make them members, we take responsibility of service providers, their quality, their timely deliverance, and their background. That is how we are going to give employee-free modules to every company, every businessman, and the same thing would revert back to the service providers, that we are giving them spare time, we are giving them time to work with their own choice. Okay, so there is a two-way around, both of them are in benefit. The third thing is social affairs wing. Social affairs wing is made so that you can exchange ideas with each other. So I'll be talking more about what we are going to do. This video was basically on the constitution of the company, how we are made, how we are organized, and why are we one of its kind pioneer in India. Let's know more about our different wings, different petitions we are going to run in this year. Do subscribe to us and join us to Essence IP Solutions.